1966 Chevy Impala Super Sport with a 396 in it. It's already true dual. It came to us already done. It's got manifolds on it, and then 2.5-inch pipe all the way back. And then we did a muffler delete with 2.5 there and there because it had stock mufflers on it and he wants to hear it. And then we put tips on it right there and right there, 3.5-inch tips, rolled edge. Give it that really nice look. There it is. I'll let you guys hear it in a second. Much better. Again. There's a sound test. Wow, 115. Go ahead and back it up. Much better. Give a guess. Let you guys see it on the inside a little bit. It's really nicely done. Look at that beautiful car. Chrome in the middle. It's really nice.
It is 4-stage.
One day my 69 Coupe de Ville will look like this, nice and clean. Super Sport, baby. Oh, that sounds so good. Oh man, that sounds so good.